Hello, in this video we will try to find how to install MySQL on Windows platform. So let's begin our video by opening the browser, search for MySQL and open the first link. Click on downloads, click on MySQL community, click on MySQL installer for Windows, and you will have to download this Windows 285.3 MB file. So click on download. Okay, I have already downloaded uh, MySQL. Now we will begin the installation. Okay, by double clicking. Click on yes. Click on yes. So click on next. Click on MySQL shell. Click on next. Click on execute. So it will take some seconds to complete. So it's complete. So click on next. Click on finish. So we will search for my SQL workbench. Or simply search for workbench. So it's now showing. So it's showing that none of your products have upgrades available. If you believe, you can use the catalog and check the product update. Okay. So click on execute. Click on next. Click finish. So sometimes the issue comes while installing MySQL. Okay. So we have to download separate file for MySQL. Okay, it's called MySQL Workbench. And a note that you have to download from MySQL official website. So it's of 42 MB. Click on download. Click on no. Just thanks, my dog. Click open. Cut from here and paste it in. So the workbench file has been downloaded. Now click to install it. So click on run. Click on next. 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 Install. Click on yes. Click on finish. Okay. So this screen will be visible on your desktop. Okay. Or whatever you are using. So to open it, click on local instance and your file has been opened. So you can run from here. Okay. So it's a flash icon here. Execute the statement. You can run from here. To create a new file, click on new query tab and you have to write your query or whatever the code it is. You will have to write here and the output will be displayed here. It's shown here, its output. The output will be shown here. So that was about how to install and download MySQL on Windows. Hope the video helps. Thanks a lot. Do like, share, and subscribe. Focus Flix. Have a nice day. Stay blessed.